Hello everyone. In this video we are going to know the block 2 that contains the name of other animals in Italian. Remembering that in the first branch we will find the term in English and in the subsequent one in Italian. Let's start. In the blue branch we have fly, which is translated as mosca. On the yellow branch it says snake, which in Italian means serpente. Next, on the red branch is the word wolf, which is called lupo. Then, in the light purple branch, we find bull, which is translated as toro. On the dark blue branch is the turtle, which in Italian is called tartaruga. In the green branch, we find tiger, and its translation is tigre. On the pink branch is the quail, and in Italian it's called balena. In the orange branch we have the penguin, whose translation is pinguino. Finally, on the dark purple branch we have the lion, which is translated as leone. Very well. Now we will review all the new words we learned in this lesson. Mosca, serpente, lupo, toro, tartaruga, tigre, balena, pingüino, leone. I invite you to subscribe to my channel and please give me a like if the video was attractive to you. We meet soon. Have a great day.